Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Captain Salim. This video is the continuation of my previous two videos on Excel. If you haven't watched the previous two videos on Excel, the link is provided below in the description. You can go and watch it. In this video, we are going to learn the basic operation in Excel, which is creating a new Excel workbook or worksheet. Creating a workbook in Excel term is nothing but creating a file. To create an workbook, you need to click on the file button and choose new over here. And when you choose new, you will have a window appear on your screen like this. And you will have three options: create a blank workbook, search online, and suggested templates. By default, each workbook includes one worksheet called Sheet 1. You can add more worksheet by clicking on this plus button. What you can enter in a worksheet cell falls into four categories: text, value, logical value, and formula. So guys, now I'm going to demonstrate how to enter data in a worksheet. To demonstrate that, I'm going to create an school report card. First, I'll type school name. You see the word school name is getting spilled into the other cell G8. It is because the word school name length is bigger than the cell F8's. That is why. But what if the cell G8 also had a text? Suppose student name. Now you see that the word school name is being hidden and the student name has been spilled into the other cell H8. Now I am going to write roll number in H8, and in the other cell I am going to write marks obtained. And for the last cell I am going to write total marks and percentage marks. Now you see this thing looks ugly because some words are visible and some words aren't. So now we have to adjust it. To adjust it, we can do this. If you have to go at the top and you will have a plus symbol like this when you go over here. You could drag it or you can double click on it and it will adjust. But if you want to do all together, you have to select the full worksheet and then you just have to double tap on any one column like here, and now you see all the words have been arranged properly. Now I'm going to type the roll number, suppose 10, marks obtained 90, total marks 100. So if we want to do a formula in Excel, the formula always starts with equal sign. and then to find the percentage, we'll divide 90 slash the total marks and enter. Now you see we have the answer as a decimal, but we want it in percentage, so we will left click on it and we'll go to format cell, and you will have a lot of options over here, but we have to click on percentage, and now you have it. So that's all for today. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to format a cell. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.